College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and phone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers. Penn State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and phone alert systems. 11 a.m. to noon receivers if there is a threat of 611. The message is information about a watch for warning USA. This was a test of the specific area message encoding and phone alert systems. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next day. Here is the latest national weather system. This was a test of the specific area message encoding and phone alert systems. Here.
Okay, they're testing. KIH28. KIH28, it's always like the RWT and then it just never... There we go, now they're done testing.